How to use a NAS with a Raspberry Pi. Imagine having a powerful storage solution right at your fingertips, allowing you to access and manage your files with ease. Network-attached storage, often referred to as NAS, is a fantastic way to centralize your data, and when combined with a Raspberry Pi, it becomes an incredibly versatile tool for various projects. To begin, you will need a few essential components. First, ensure you have a Raspberry Pi, which is a small, affordable computer that can run various operating systems. You will also need a NAS device, which typically consists of one or more hard drives connected to your network, allowing multiple users to access the data stored on it. Additionally, a reliable network connection, either through Ethernet or Wi-Fi, is crucial for seamless communication between the Raspberry Pi and the NAS. Once you have gathered your components, the next step is to set up your NAS. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to configure the NAS device. This usually involves connecting it to your network and accessing its web interface through a browser. You will need to create shared folders where you can store your files. Make sure to note the network address of your NAS, as you will need this later. Now it is time to prepare your Raspberry Pi. Install an operating system, such as Raspberry Pi Operating System, on your Raspberry Pi. After the installation, connect your Raspberry Pi to the same network as your NAS. You can do this via a wired connection or wirelessly, depending on your setup. Next, you will need to install some software on your Raspberry Pi to facilitate communication with the NAS. A popular choice is Samba, which allows file sharing between different operating systems. To install Samba, open the terminal on your Raspberry Pi and enter the appropriate commands. Once installed, you will need to configure Samba to recognize the shared folders on your NAS. This involves editing the Samba configuration file to include the path to your NAS shares and setting the necessary permissions. After configuring Samba, you can access your NAS from your Raspberry Pi. Use the File Manager on your Raspberry Pi to navigate to the Network section, where you should see your NAS listed. Click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your NAS credentials. Once authenticated, you can browse, upload, and download files between your Raspberry Pi and the NAS. Using a NAS with a Raspberry Pi opens up a world of possibilities, from creating a media server to backing up important files. With the right setup, you can enjoy the benefits of centralized storage and easy access to your data, all while harnessing the power of your Raspberry Pi.